Right, weekly stock market update for everybody. You should all be able to see and hear me loud and clear. I'm just going to make sure there's some links which also appear on the screen, and we're going to take it from there. Now, we've got quite a bit to share with you, so I'm going to share the screen straight away. Here we go. And you should be able to see that. So, weekly stock market update. Let's start with the politics first. The China tariffs are causing some wobbles. Lack of data on whether interest rates are going to low are causing another. The Chinese are not backing down. Trump will probably blink. He'll meet Xi and they'll come to an arrangement and the markets will rally thereafter. So I'm not so concerned about the Chinese aspects. It's causing some people, of course, to panic unnecessarily. And they don't really need to. They usually panic is caused in the markets if you've got low quality companies, too much money in them, and you're looking to trade in and out because you've got a very time restricted or price restricted stop loss. All of those things are a recipe for disaster because it's going to lead to, as I say, panic. So let's have a look at the weekly stock market update on this. Remember, this is not a solicitation to buy or sell any individual stock. It is instead very much a case of, let me just move this so you've got a decent size on here. Very much a case of educational information, and there's a ton more information on the various sources that I provide. I'm just going to move things around so that people can see them nicely. He says optimistically. There we go. Okay. So getting on with the very next thing. How are we doing for valuations? Is it time for people to panic yet? Well, if valuations are the only thing that moves stock prices, then you could look at valuations and make a good living out of it. But of course, valuations are not the only things that move stock prices. Momentum, growth projections, expectations, sentiment, all of those things. In fact, the most successful hedge funds are very much momentum based. So that in itself, looking at valuations can be a foolish thing, but they can be a useful guide in any event. And what you see here with these valuations is that we could argue that there's more room to the upside. There's less room to the upside in the immediate future than there is to the downside, of course, because people are sitting on a lot of profits. As I used to say on my Bloomberg TV show during the dot-com bubble, if you